So in this lecture we're going to learn about how just alter this image, and we will remove this dark spots from this face. You see here is a too much dark spots. So in this lecture we are going to learn how to remove all this. So just make a duplicate copy of this one. Okay, just hide the original one so we can compare the original one and the edited one. So now first tool we are going to use is the patch tool. Okay, so just zoom in and select the dot like this, and now just drag your mouse to the hair. Okay, now select some more uh, red spots like this. Okay, and just clean and move this to the empty one, just like this is the clean areas, and just move it to this one. All right, so we will do this thing to just clean the this one area, so that later on we can use the spot healing tool. And the spot healing tool is used to just like the healing the face and the healing the image, but this tool will work on the surrounded area. So we are cleaning the surrounded area of some patches. Okay, so just like this we are cleaning some dark spots in one area, so that later we can use the spot healing tool, and that will work easy for us. Okay, so just like this. Okay, all right, so now we are going to use this spot healing brush tool. So now just a little smaller, and now just click on the dark spots like this. Okay, so first this one, that is all the points they are in the face, so just remove all this. All right, so you see it's being very easy to use this tool. Okay, and someone here, and yep, the nose area too. We can clean this using our spot healing brush tool. Okay, and now just click on only on the dots area. Okay, so just like this. Not don't select the too much area. Okay, and then it will not clear your the dark spot, but it will just increase your work. Okay, all right, now remain this, and we'll remove this using our patch tool. All right, and now this line. Okay, and again some here. Now come to this area. Okay, to the first easy ones. Okay, so they are easy because they are much clean area. This surrounded by this red spots. Okay, so we will use clean this area first, and then we will come out to the typical ones. So first we will clear on the area that we can easily clean with this spot healing brush tool. All right, you see this is a much more surrounded area that is clean, so we will just do the point to point. Okay, we are not gonna remove this one from the center because it's surrounded by the red one, so we will just clean it like in a sequence. Okay, and now using the patch tool, now just clean these areas like this. Okay, and this one areas too, because it's here's too much line, you see, just like our dishes. You see here spot, it is not a red spot but it's like the skin, you know, the uh, skin color changes, so we will use the patch tool here to just mix up the skin color. Okay, just point your patch tool to the cleaner area. Okay, all right, now this one. Okay, now this okay, this will remain, and you know it's a like in the gradient you see here says someone is dark and some skin is light, so here we'll use the patch tool. Don't use a, you know, the spot healing brush tool here, because it will not clean up the skin and it will just like remain with the skin color difference, so we don't want this type of things in a Photoshop. Okay, all right, now this one, and we can easily remove this using the spot healing brush tool. So you see here we just clean its her face, and now just do some lightning, just press Ctrl L and do this like this. Okay, there is something like changing the lights, okay, to show it's very clear, and a little bit color here, hue. Okay, so you see here the what's the difference here. Right. So this is the image that we have just added, and this is the original one. You see, we just remove all this the red spots and some lightning, and we just cleared her face using the Photoshop pastel and the spot healing brush tool. So this is the tools that we use to remove the spots on the image.